In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment on Fresha. Whether you're a business owner or a service professional, managing appointments efficiently is key to your success and client satisfaction. That's why Fresha, an innovative platform designed for appointment-based businesses, can be an invaluable tool for your operations. Today, we'll walk through the process of rescheduling an appointment, step by step, to ensure you can handle these adjustments smoothly and keep your calendar up to date. First things first, we need to navigate to Fresha's platform specifically designed for business use. Fresha offers a seamless interface that caters to both business owners and professionals. If you're already familiar with the platform, you know that accessing the business section is the gate to a multitude of functionalities, including appointment management, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you've made your way to Fresha for Business, your next move is to log in. Click on the login button displayed prominently on the page. This is your first step towards accessing your business account, where all your bookings, client information, and calendar details live. Following the login page, you'll be prompted to specify who you are on the platform. Since we're focusing on business operations today, let's click on Fresha for Professionals. This option ensures you're navigating the platform with the right set of tools at your disposal, tailored to professionals and business owners like you. Now, to make things even simpler, Fresha lets you continue with your Google account. Click on Continue with Google for a quick and easy sign-in process. This feature is particularly convenient as it bypasses the need to remember an extra set of login credentials, streamlining access to your account. After clicking to continue with Google, select the Google account you wish to use for this sign-in process. This should be the account you initially used to set up your Fresha business profile, or one that's authorized to manage your business's Fresha account. With the sign-in process out of the way, it's time to dive into your schedule. Go directly to your calendar on Fresha. This is where your day-to-day business operations come to life, filled with all the appointments and bookings you've got lined up. The calendar is the heart of your scheduling operations, providing a comprehensive view of what your days look like. Within your calendar, you'll need to locate the specific appointment you want to reschedule. This might require a bit of scrolling or switching between days if you have a packed schedule. Once you've found the right appointment, click on it to view its details. Here comes the part where you make the magic happen: rescheduling. Look for the three dots, often located at the corner or bottom of the appointment details. Clicking here will reveal more options related to managing this specific booking. From the options presented, select Reschedule. This action initiates the process to change the current appointment time and date, opening up a window where you can see available time slots. Take a moment to communicate with your client if necessary to ensure the new time fits their schedule too. This keeps everyone happy and avoids last-minute cancellations or no-shows. Now your screen will display a variety of times and dates from which you can choose to reschedule the appointment. Take your time to select the best slot that suits both your availability and your client's convenience. Confirm the new timing by selecting it and ensure you're finalizing the reschedule according to Fresha's prompts, which might include confirming the changes or notifying the client. And just like that, you've successfully rescheduled an appointment on Fresha. This feature not only helps in maintaining a flexible and accommodating service for your clients, but also ensures your business operations run smoothly, adapting to day-to-day changes effortlessly. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always double-check the rescheduled appointment details for accuracy. It's also a good idea to personally inform your client about the change, even though Fresha sends automatic notifications. A personal touch can go a long way in customer service. In summary, Fresha makes it easy for business owners and professionals to manage their schedules, including the often dreaded task of rescheduling appointments. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can handle these adjustments like a pro, ensuring your business remains flexible, responsive, and most importantly, client-focused. Thank you for watching, and here's to smoother scheduling ahead.